Have you ever noticed the convenience of logging in to SCiNiTO without a separate username and password? If you have received login information for the Egyptian Knowledge Bank in advance, you can access a variety of benefits offered by SCiNiTO designed to enhance your research experience with a single login credential. You will have access to many handy tools, such as allowing AI to unlimitedly assist you in efficiently discovering valuable resources and helping you at every stage of your research process. Accessing all EKB resources and applying filters to your search, conducting searches based on specific filters, bookmarking important documents, adding personal notes, creating projects, collaborating with peers, reviewing search history, and easily repeating searches with saved filters. And that's not all you'll get by signing into SCiNiTO. Embrace the future of resource management by signing into SCiNiTO today and revolutionizing your research process.